Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me a file, this file, and they want to do the over-under interlocking rings that I've already done. And they're going off one of my videos, and they tried something that in theory should work, but it doesn't work. If we take an ellipse and hit P, put it in the center of the page, and then go to the distort tool and start adding sides, and then start adding height, you get that. Now, that's all good and well when you do this. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me just show you what he's doing. He's going there. I'm going to go ahead and make it a outline to an object. So if you control D and alternate C and rotate it 22.5 degrees and turn it blue, it ought to be pretty much perfect. But you got to remember you're working with the distort tool. So we're going to try going here and doing my, well, not mine, I do it a lot. Grab that. You got to make sure you see all four corner white deal. Shift select the blue and go intersect. And then you have that blue. Okay, in theory, this would work. Now we're going to take the blue and go to object and order and put it to the back of page. But I'm going to now select this one and it's on top. Now, if I control D and alternate C and rotate it 45 degrees, it's off, just a hair. And it's going to get off worse, I think, as we go around. Well, every other one might be on. But anyway, it's going to be off, and it's non-usable. So my suggestion on something like this is don't try to, I mean, it's going to take a little longer, granted, but we got the blue back on top. I'm going to nudge the red out of the way for a second. I'm going to set it like 22 inches. That ought to do it. And I'm going to get a square, and I'm going to draw a square right there. You know what? I'm going to put the red back just to make sure I'm in the right spot. And I'm not. I'm glad I did that. So let's say we're going to intersect this one right here. Okay. I'm going to control D, alternate C, and rotate it 45 degrees. And then control D, control D, control D, control D, control D. Now, I'm going to move the red one out of the way, and I'm going to move the blue one out of the way, and I'm going to group these together. Go up to Object, Group, and Group. And I'm going to take the blue now, and I'm going to select them both, and I'm going to go intersect now. And look at that. Now I can take my boxes away, bring the red back, put the blue, let me zoom in here, put the blue at the back of the page, object order back of page. And now let's take these blues and put them up. And it's dead on perfect because we did them each individually. Takes a little longer, but not really. That's pretty cool. And I love the distort tool for making stuff like this. And you can try the Pentagon tool, Polygon tool, and whatever. It has to be dead on perfect. And with these shapes, you just can't do it. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.